Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, coming to you from Borla Commerce Park.
Welcome back to Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Now, if you're like me, you get a little squeamish when you're installing accessories in your car. John, that means drilling or cutting some interior panels, but at Specialty Performance Parts, you have a solution for that.
Yeah, we started our company, Specialty Performance Parts, to really solve the problem that I think has really been in the automotive industry in general, which is all the people that are cutting and drilling and hacking and splicing this wire and that wire, and it's like, man, there's got to be an easier solution.
And that feels like a really permanent change. This is a vehicle you spent $70,000 on, and suddenly you're cutting these interior panels that you may not be able to find again.
And what if you sell the vehicle?
Right.
Does it degrade the value and warranty in a lot of cases, especially with wiring? So we have developed a series of products in-house, and we have manufactured for our consumers so that you can add brackets for lights, for hardware, wiring, and so on. You know, one of the things that we're really excited about is we've got a new line of wire harnesses that we filed for patent on that is going to allow you to literally plug and play just about any series of applications for any lighting scenario that you may have in your truck. Regardless of whether you have a rigid light or a Baja Designs light or Diode Dynamics or any other series light, you can plug in an adapter and it will directly connect to that series light, regardless of what light you have.
You're not having to deal with a lot of problem solving, you know.
Right, yeah, the manufacturer gives you a bundle of wire and they say figure it out. In this case, we've helped you figure that out.
Taking the intimidation out of all of it. What if you need a relay somewhere in the system, and that can be a complicated process?
Exactly, and that's very important as well. So if you've got a vehicle that needs a relay because it doesn't have a built-in relay with switches already built in, for example, like the standard F-150, we have a switch panel for that, then you can simply add on a relay to any of our existing harnesses. It connects to your battery, and then it's going to connect to your switch right here. And that allows you to do that. So regardless, you're still going to be able to use those harnesses in any application, whether you do or don't need a relay.
If you want to add multiple accessories, you can just daisy chain all that together, right?
Exactly. Depending on what it is, you can split off and put two lights on one harness. You can combine various lights onto one switch if you've got multiples onto multiple harnesses and so on. Of course, we all know with electrical wiring, it's very important to make sure that you check your amperage rating because you might exceed that on a wire.
And how can you help me with that? Do you have resources online?
Yeah, we have a chart that is going to help you pick the right harness for the right application and the amperage that you're pulling.
But what if I'm an electrical dummy, which I am? How can you help me there? Do you have some videos?
Yes, we do tutorial videos and installation videos that'll help you through that as well.
If all else fails, can I call you?
Absolutely. We have a line directly to our tech support.
Well, the harnesses are amazing, and the switch panel is really cool too. Standard F-150, you're going to have a little tray like this, and it's a nice space for holding a couple of pens or something like that. But if you want to add some accessories, you can replace it with this panel that you guys have here, and tell me how that works.
So one of the things that we early developed were for the 15 to 20 F-150s. And if you didn't have a Raptor, for example, that had switches up above, and you needed some switches to add lighting or accessories to your vehicle, you really didn't have much of an option for that. You know, you could drill a hole down in the console, you could open the console lid, drill a hole, put a switch there. There's a lot of metal in the truck, so it's really difficult to pick that up as far as where you're going to put that switch. So we developed, and this is a fully patented design, and it's actually a utility patent, so that we're going to be able to offer this switch panel in multiple vehicles. We're already in development for the 2021 F-150, and we're going to have these coming out soon for like the Jeeps and Dodge and Chevy and so on.
Well, we know with your harnesses, it's simple to hook up. How easy is it to operate?
Really easy. We'll just turn on the ignition.
All right. Do your fog lights
Yep.
there. You got some more lights, and your reverse lights all right there.
Yep.
The touch of a button. Very cool. You've made mounting lights and accessories on the outside of the truck easier as well.
Absolutely. One of the things that we like to do is to design parts that are easily integrated into your vehicle. So all of our brackets and hardware that work with all these lights will be adjustable, and for the most part, as much as possible, zero modification, direct bolt-on.
If you're looking for an easy way to accessorize your vehicle, to mount lights, and to hook them up through the electrical system, check them out at SPVparts.com. You're going to love what they can do for your vehicle. We'll return right after this with more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings.